As I always nachaka kukwana lilitanga ninateba ngati anybody ogwanja kutumeka bune goon n'omuntu otari somebody who has not realized his own value as a person, so you are desperate for anything, and that happens in other constituencies that are not developed. A perfect example of the three guys that are sitting here, they will tell the story because they have experienced it in their constituencies. So no,
but
I'm always I'm from the great Nyaribari Chache constituency.
Okay, igo goon nchiyo.
Nyaribari Chache goon nchiyo nabanto bandi bagocha kusali omurembo tobwate Nyaribari Chache utosaririe erieta rya Nyaribari because bagocha barora amagenderera ari akorire kanire Nyaribari Chache batwara that excitement paka baimukie mete na makombe imete ya makombe na magina bachaka kuruta amagina ebintu biri byakorire Nyaribari Chache ko bisari just because of excitement njege ntona abatebi tikabacha Nyaribari Chache for benchmarking purposes only, but for your ebintu bindi byogocha cause violence that you will met by the full force of the law.
Okay, coach,